Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. What's up, you guys? What's up? Got another unboxing for you today. Actually, it's an unboxing and a setup video for you today. I'm on location. I'm not at the normal place. I'm on location today. Check this out. We got the Gibraltar Mailbox. We're going to be unboxing and setting it up today. I'm going to let you guys see it firsthand before I even start it. And this is where we're going to install it right here. This is how it looks beforehand. Got all the tools and stuff I need. But let's unbox this baby real quick and see what we got in it. This right here is the Gibraltar Mailbox, plastic mailbox post, classic in black. Safety access. It has a rear panel where you can open up from the front or the back. Double wall construction, real durable. 5-year limited warranty on this thing. As you know, I always will have the link in the description. So let's open this baby up. Okay. Inside the box is pretty simple. We got the instruction manual we never read. Of course, we got the main post right here. Put that in the wall. On top of the wood we got. Next thing here, we got the main mailbox unit right here. Is already pretty much assembled. You got your red flag right there, and then we have the base piece right here that slides on. And we got one more piece in here, which are the front and back doors you open up. So pretty simple. All the hard work is done from the digging. So we get ready to get to it. We're going to show y'all how it's done. Let's go. Yeah. All right, you guys, we are all done here. As you can see, here's the mailbox. We got the drawers on. Bam. Put the mail inside there. We got that. Put that up. We added some extra decorative bricks here to give it a little bit more. I wanted to be even more solid, so we put more bricks right here and make it even more solid. We're gonna decorate that up later. And also on the back of it, you also have a door on the back too, just like that. So there it is, you guys. This is the Gibraltar Mailbox. Make sure you guys click the link below. I definitely have it. Nice little mailbox, decorative. Hey, see you guys on the next one. Peace.